Hey guys, Tech Mitchell with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the always on feature on your iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. So it's going to be really simple and easy to do on the latest iOS version. So in your settings, first thing is you'll go into your settings and then you'll find here display and brightness. And under display and brightness, if you go down here, always on display settings is right there. And by default, it might be already turned on for you. Now, if it is always on display on, it will always be on just like that. As you can see here, even when you lock it, it dims down. It's always on. And if we want to turn it off, we simply untoggle that off. It's grayed out and it will say off. And this time if we close our screen, as you can see, it's completely black. So that's how you turn it on, the always on feature. And if you want to go back and turn it back on, simply toggle it on, and then you can also customize if you want to show the wallpaper or notification as well. It's available for you right there. Again, I hope this quick little video was helpful in terms of turning on and off the always on feature on your iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max, and iPhone 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max will also follow the same thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.